Are the recorded clips from your Ring doorbell muddled with tears and jarring pixelation? Fret not, we know just what you need to do to get this issue fixed. So make sure to stick around till the end of this video to get back great picture quality from your Ring doorbell. A stable internet connection is vital for streaming or storing clips to the Ring app. In the absence of a viable internet connection with good speeds and low latency, the recorded clips can get pixelated or worse, corrupted. Fortunately, checking the network connection status is no hassle since Ring has native connection testing facility built in right into the app. All you need to do is head over to the Ring app, tap on the menu button, then Devices. Now select your Ring doorbell and then tap on Device Health. Under the Tools tab, select Test your Wi-Fi. Click on Start to initiate the test. Once the test is complete, check if the speeds recorded are of an optimal range, that is around 2 Mbps. If not, consider refreshing your internet router. This can fix any issues that may have been bothering the network. A power cycle should do the job. By power cycling your internet router, you get to refresh the system as well as get rid of any static charges that can mess up the network. All you need to do is unplug the router from the power supply and plug it back in after a minute. Once done, connect your camera and the app to the same network and see if your issues persist. If power cycling seems to not work for you, then the issue might be with signal strength. Repositioning the router closer to the doorbell should increase the signal strength. You could also opt for a Wi-Fi extender or a mesh network to further enhance the signal strength. HDR or High Dynamic Range is a nifty little feature that boosts the exposure of the captures from your Ring doorbell to produce more accurate images, especially during the daytime. But as good as it sounds, it does consume a bit more bandwidth than usual, which can render the pictures pixelated under unfavorable circumstances. So it's best to check and refresh the HDR settings of your Ring doorbell in times of adversity like this one. To do so, head over to the menu tab of the Ring app and select Devices. Tap on the Ring doorbell tile and select Device Settings followed by Video Settings. Now refresh the HDR tile by toggling it off and on. You could also completely disable HDR to avoid further complications. If the clips from your Ring doorbell still retain some pixelation, as a last resort, factory reset the Ring doorbell. In performing a factory reset, you get to revert all the system settings to its factory defaults and remove any existing bugs and errors from the system. To factory reset your doorbell, first carefully unmount the doorbell from the bracket and locate the reset or setup button towards the back or side of the doorbell. Now press and hold the button for about 10 to 20 seconds until the LEDs up front start flashing. Once the LEDs turn off, your doorbell has been successfully reset. Proceed to set it up once again like new and check for the issue now. With that, I believe that I've touched on everything that I wanted to talk about regarding fixing a Ring doorbell that puts out pixelated clips. If you found this video useful, consider leaving your thoughts below, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting Ring content like this.